Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a snowman. We can draw snowmen with two circles, a big one for the body and a slightly smaller one for the head. We can use circles for the buttons and the eyes as well. So on the body part of your snowman, draw as many buttons as you like. I'm going to have 3. Then you can draw 2 on the head. 1, 2, those are the eyes. Let's do a triangle carrot for the nose. So we'll need 3 sides, 1 short and 2 long sides. I'm going to use dots for the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, look at that big smile. And I'm going to colour in. The eyes are going to be black, the buttons are going to be black, and the nose needs to be orange. I'm going to use straight lines sticking out of the body to make the arms. These look like little sticks that someone's found in the forest. And then I'm going to give my snowman a hat. What kind of hat shall I do? I know, this snowman's going to have a top hat. For this I'm going to need a long, thin, lying down rectangle with 2 short sides and 2 long sides. And on top of that I'm going to do a standing up rectangle. It's quite fat. There, it's a very smart top hat. I'm going to colour it in black. Ah, he looks very friendly and jolly, but I think he needs a friend. Let's draw another snowman. Maybe this is a snow girl. Let's give her a big body and a medium-sized head and some buttons. I think this one's going to have 4 and some eyes and a triangle nose. It's a bit of a wobbly nose and some dots for the mouth and some arms. Maybe they're holding hands. Let me see if I can draw that. Hello, friend. There. I'm going to colour her in. I think I'll give her... maybe she's got different coloured buttons. Maybe she's got green buttons. Maybe they're apples. Maybe her eyes are made of apples too. And her nose is going to be a carrot, just like her friend. Now I want to give her a different sort of hat. I think I'm going to give her a floppy hat, like a sun hat made of straw. For this we're going to need a very strange shape. A kind of sausage that's lying on her head. So starting over here on this side, we're going to draw around and back into her head over this side. Let's try that with our pencils. Out and over and around and back into her head. And on the top of her hat we need a little semicircle that starts just here and goes over the rainbow. Now if it's straw it must be a sort of yellowish colour. So I'm going to colour that in. The yellow colour. There. I think they're going to a party together. I wonder where their party could be. Is it going to be in the forest, in the mountains, by a frozen lake maybe? Oh, that's a good idea. It's very cold, but the sun is shining and they are enjoying the winter weather. I wonder where your snow people will be.